Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video I will describe about a power factor improvement system, and in this system we use here a SMPS for make sure proper power supply for our all components, and we use here a multifunction energy meter that's model is PZEM004T, and it will send power factor value to our Arduino Nano, and Arduino Nano will take necessary steps to improve the power factor value. We use here a LCD display to monitoring the power factor value of our system, and we used here 4 capacitor with 4 channel relay module, and this relay module will connect these capacitors to our load in parallelly. We use here a ballast as a inductive load, and that will control by using this manual switch, and another manual switch will control this resistive load. This manual switch will control our resistive load directly, and this switch will control our ballast and resistive load in series connection. So now we will turn on our resistive load, and then we will check our power factor value. First of all, its power factor value 0, and after calculating it will be power factor value is 1, and for our every resistive load our power factor value will be 1. Now it's again calculating, power factor value is 0 and no load is on now. Now we will turn on our inductive load. You see here that our inductive load is on and power factor value is calculating here. You see here that it's 0.63, it's a lowest power factor value. Now Arduino will add capacitors with our loads one by one, and it's 0.77 power factor value, and after adding second capacitor we will get 0.86 power factor value, and then our third capacitor will be connected with our load and it's 0.91, and after adding capacitor 4 it showing 0.99, and you know that more than 0.95 power factor is enough, good enough, and so that it's a perfect power factor value. And now we will add our resistive load, and you see that it's calculating and its power factor value is 1, and when we will turn off our resistive load, at that moment our power factor value will be calculate again, and it's showing 0.63 is the power factor value. And you see that now it's no load and power factor value was 0, and to read this power factor value we need to measure current value, and this current value is measured by using this coil, and this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again for staying with us for a long time, and Allah Hafiz.